Alright, so if you don't know how to rig a car in Blender, you are a noob. Yes, I'm talking to you. You are a noob. Well, don't worry, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to rig a car quickly and easily, like without making things overcomplicated. So first thing first, we have to download the RBC add-on from Blender Market, or I'll just provide the link in my description. There are two versions available, and trust me, the free version is more than enough and it's all you need. However, if you want more control and flexibility, you can go for the paid version. Step 1. Import your car. Once your car model is imported, switch to edit mode and wireframe view, then separate all the tires. Then join the rest of the car body into one object. Now step 2 is going to organize your parts. Then you should now have 5 parts. Step 3. Apply scale. Select each part and apply the scale. The shortcut is Ctrl A and then apply scale. This will ensure proper rigging. Now step 4. Set up the rig. Go to the RBC panel and mark each part in the corresponding fields. Once everything is marked, generate your rig and hit the spacebar. And congratulations! You have just rigged your first car in no time with me. Initially, the car will move straight, but stick around and I'll show you how to customize and control your rig car further, but in the next tutorial.